If the 4 points with the position vectors minus 2i plus j plus k, I plus j plus k, j minus k and lambda j plus k are coplanar, then lambda is equal to what here. Therefore, the given vectors are position vectors of 4 points here. Therefore, take here OE is equal to minus of 2i plus j plus k. Then OB position vector of the point B here. So I plus j plus k position vector of the point C here. So 0i plus j minus of k position vector of the point D here. OD is equal to so 0i plus lambda j plus k. Therefore, here the points are coplanar AB, AC, AD. Is equal to 0. Scalar triple product is 0. Hence AB, AC and AD. In other term, AB, here AB is equal to OB minus OE and AC is equal to OC minus OE and AD is equal to so OD minus of OE. Therefore, here the scalar triple product is 0 because they are coplanar here. So determinant of AB is given by OB minus OE. 1 minus of minus becomes a 3 here. So write here 3. 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Then 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. So this vector AB here. Then AC means OC minus OE. 0 minus of minus 2 becomes a plus 2 here. 1 minus of 1 is a 0. And 1 minus 1 is a 0. Okay, here minus 1 becomes a minus of 2. Minus 2. Then OD, this minus is here. 0 minus of minus becomes plus 2 here. Lambda minus 1. So it is a lambda minus 1 here. Then 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. That is equal to 0. Just interchange these two rows here. So R2 interchange with R3 here. Interchanging second and third row here. Therefore, determinant of so 3 0 0. Then 2 lambda minus 1 and 0 here. Then 2 0 minus 2 that is equal to 0. Interchanging these two row here. Here these three terms are 0 here. Hence direct multiply the diagonal elements here. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 into lambda minus 1 minus 6 into lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. Take minus 6 right hand side here. 0 upon minus 6 is 0. So lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Hence lambda is equal to 1 here. Therefore, first option is correct here. So modulus of A bar cross B bar dot of C bar equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar. If 4 options are there, then which option is correct here? So modulus of A bar cross of B bar dot of C bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar here. So modulus of this implies here. Here A bar cross B bar. Use the definition of cross product here. So according to definition, modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sin of theta into n cap here. Okay. into dot of C bar. Dot of C bar, right, as it is here. That is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar here. Okay, here two vectors are there, A bar and B bar. Then here theta is the angle between A bar and B bar. Then this is the n cap here. N cap is the unit vector here, perpendicular to both A bar as well as B bar here. So A bar cross B bar is this one. Theta is the angle between A bar and B bar. Then n cap dot of C bar is there. So this implies modulus of A bar here into modulus of B bar into sine of theta. Here use n cap dot C bar means A bar dot B bar here, using this formula. A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into cos of alpha here. Okay, so C bar is one more vector here. Consider this one more vector C bar. So angle between n cap and C bar is alpha here. Therefore, n cap dot of C bar is modulus of n cap modulus of C bar into cos of alpha. That is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar here. Alpha is the angle between n cap and C bar here. Therefore, this implies modulus of A bar is the modulus of A bar itself here. Modulus of B bar is the modulus of B bar itself. Then modulus of sin theta and modulus of n cap is 1 here. This becomes 1. Then modulus of C bar into modulus of cos of alpha is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into modulus of C bar here. Here these three terms get cancels here. Therefore, this implies here modulus of sin theta into modulus of cos of alpha is equal to 1 here. So product of these two is equal to 1 means so sin theta is equal to 1 and cos theta is equal to 1 here. Sin theta into cos theta is 1 itself here. Okay. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. And theta cos theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. Theta equal to pi by 2 means this angle is pi by 2 here. They are perpendicular to each other. A bar and B bar are perpendicular. And theta equal to 0 means this vector C bar coincides with the n cap here. Okay. Therefore, this implies so theta is angle between A bar and B bar. Therefore, A bar perpendicular to B bar. And so alpha is here, not theta here, it is alpha. Cos of alpha here. So alpha becomes 0 means here C bar is coincides with n cap here or parallel. C bar parallel to n cap here. C bar parallel to n cap. Okay. So these two are perpendicular here. And C bar is coincides with n cap or parallel to n cap here. Then A bar, B bar and C bar are perpendicular to each other, mutually perpendicular. Like this here. This vector A bar, this vector B bar, and this vector is C bar. Therefore, angle between A bar and B bar is 90 degree. Angle between B bar and C bar is 90 degree. Angle between C bar and A bar is also 90 degree. Like this here. A bar, B bar and C bar. They are mutually perpendicular to each other. Hence, A bar, B bar and C bar are mutually perpendicular to each other. If they are mutually perpendicular to each other, then obviously A bar dot of B bar is equal to B bar dot of C bar is equal to C bar dot of A bar is equal to 0. Hence, D is the correct option. They are mutually perpendicular. If A bar dot B bar is equal to B bar dot C bar equal to C bar dot A bar equal to 0, then the value of a scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar equal to what here? So here they given A bar dot B bar is equal to 0. Hence they are perpendicular to each other. A bar perpendicular to B bar. Hence the scalar triple product of A bar B bar C bar is nothing but A bar cross B bar dot of C bar here. Okay, here dot and cross can be interchangeable. You know the scalar triple product here. A bar B bar C bar is equal to A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar here. Okay, this is scalar triple product. Here a dot and a cross can be interchangeable. Value remains the same. A bar cross B bar dot of C bar. So we are using this result. Here you know A bar cross B bar is equal to modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into sine of 90 degree into n cap dot of C bar dot of C bar, because A bar and B bar perpendicular. Hence angle between A bar and B bar is 90 degree here. And sine 90 degree value is 1 here. So modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar into this becomes 1 here. And n cap dot of C bar. Just observe here. Here this vector A bar. This vector is a B bar. And this vector C bar here. And n cap is the unit vector along C bar only. Therefore, here modulus of n cap into modulus of C bar into cos of 0 degree, because n cap and C bar coincides each other. N cap along with the vector C bar only. Therefore, angle between n cap and C bar is 0 degree. Therefore, modulus of A bar into modulus of B bar and the modulus of n cap is 1. Then the modulus of C bar and the cos 0 degree value is 1 here. Therefore, here C is the correct option here. So here they given A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors. Then D bar is equal to lambda into A bar plus mu into B bar plus gamma into C bar. Then lambda is equal to what here? So taking a dot product of B bar plus C bar on both sides here. Here we want a lambda value here. Therefore, these two must be 0 here. So therefore, D bar dot of B bar cross of C bar is equal to lambda A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar. Then plus mu into B bar dot of B bar cross C bar plus gamma into C bar dot of B bar cross of C bar. Multiplying both sides by B bar cross C bar and take dot product here. Dot product of B bar cross C bar here. And you know that in a scalar triple product, if two vectors are identical, value becomes 0. This value becomes 0 here. Here two vectors are identical here, C bar and C bar. So this becomes 0. Therefore, D bar dot of B bar cross of C bar is equal to lambda into A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar. Okay, these two becomes 0 here. Because our two vectors are identical here. Okay. Cross multiply. So d bar dot of b bar cross of c bar divided by a bar dot of b bar cross of c bar here is equal to lambda. Then this can be written in this form also. Lambda is equal to dbc here. dbc scalar triple product here divided by a, b and c here. Okay, here there is no any such type of option here. Okay, so options are different here. Therefore, you know that if vectors are changing the cyclic order, then the scalar triple product is the same here. Value of the scalar triple product is the same. Means ABC, ABC, it's a scalar triple product is equal to BCA, BCA is equal to CAB. So CAB. So similarly, numerator DBC is there. So D, B and CS. Even in this case also, if vectors are changing the cyclic order, then the value remains the same here. Value of the scalar triple product DBC, DBC is equal to BCD is equal to CDB. Okay, therefore here this is equal to DBC is there. Okay, here DBC is nothing but BCD. Okay, so write here BCD here. BCD divided by ABC is there. ABC and ABC is equal to BCA. BCA. Therefore, your second option is the correct one here. BCD divided by BCA. Okay, here A, B, C. These are the vectors such that A bar dot B bar cross C bar equal to lambda. Then value of this one here. So B bar cross C bar dot of A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by lambda here. Therefore, this equal to take this vector inside the vector here, inside the bracket. Therefore, A bar dot B bar C bar, A bar dot of B bar cross of C bar, then plus B bar dot of this one. So B bar dot of B bar cross C bar, then C bar dot of this one here. So plus C bar dot of B bar cross C bar, 4 divided by lambda. Here two vectors are identical, so this becomes a 0. Here two vectors are identical, so scalar triple product becomes a 0. And here A bar dot B bar plus B bar cross C bar is lambda here. See, already given here. So lambda plus 0 plus 0 divided by lambda. Therefore, lambda and lambda cancels. The remaining is 1 here. So B answer here.